This is feedback for Aisha on WR1 practice. This is the cause and effect essay that you wrote. Today is February 11th. So looking at your essay here, first thing, I like your topic sentence. First major effect of recycling is improving the environment. Nice, complete, direct, to the point, good topic sentence. I like it. But I think it kind of messes up after that. After that, it's a little bit unclear, and that's what I was saying here. I'm not clear on what you're trying to say here. Most government, but some roles play for the country, do not cut the trees in the world, and not cut a lot of other plant, for example, use. A good point that could go after this sentence, I would say, is something like, major effect of recycling is improving the environment. Reason why
He's in there.
Will improve the environment. Is the first reason why recycle will improve the environment is it will allow for less waste. And then that's the point. And then you bring the example after that. So, for example, companies wouldn't have to because products
You're like Mr. Bean.
has many products
Gotta
because
get into your suit.
they to make as many products because they will get back some of their materials. Okay, so that's one reason, right, with an example. So I think you should continue from there. Okay, so what's another reason? I think this topic is a little bit difficult, and I think that's what you're having a problem with. I think you should abandon this essay and just focus on your best vacation. Write that one really well, and this one just leave it alone, because I think it's really difficult. Because like the first reason why recycling will improve the environment is it will allow for less waste. What's another reason? I think we talked about this too. Another reason that recycle will help improve the environment, it would be companies would have to use they wouldn't need as much raw materials. Make sure we have our transition. In addition, companies wouldn't need. See, I mean, this is something that, I mean, I wouldn't expect you to really know what this means, but basically this just means that companies, they wouldn't need, if they make water bottles and everybody recycles their water bottles, then they wouldn't need as many water bottles because people would give them back the plastic, so they wouldn't have to buy new plastic. They would just reuse the old plastic, and then that would be your example that you write here. Okay. If you want to continue with this essay and improve it, I welcome that. Please make sure that you fix your heading. Your heading should not have your address, your email address. It should not have that. It should not have your name. It should just be your ID, instructor, date, spring 2018, and I think that's it. Oh, one more thing.